Okay, so let's just jump right in. What if I told you that right now, with the phone in your hand, you can build your very own global financial system? Seriously, no bank branch, no waiting in line, just you. We're going to build that exact system together in just a few minutes.
I mean, let's be real. The old way of doing things, it's on its way out. Waiting days for money, filling out mountains of paperwork, getting hit with fees you never saw coming. The world has already moved on, and it's running on digital, mobile money. So here's the real question. Are you ready to catch up? Because that's what we're about to do. We're going to put an incredibly powerful financial tool right in your pocket. This isn't just about learning something new. It's about giving you control. Okay, let's talk about the magic combination, PayPal and M-Pesa. When you link these two powerhouses, you create something brand new, a genuine international account that lives entirely on your phone. You know, Kenya is light years ahead of most countries with this kind of tech, and you're about to see exactly why.
This right here, this is the whole game. Just imagine it. You get paid by a client in London, a platform in the US, or maybe a relative in Canada. That money instantly appears in your PayPal. You can keep it there securely, and the moment you need it, boom, it's in your M-Pesa in seconds. That's the power of the system we're building.
All right, let's get our hands dirty. Time for step one, the setup. And don't worry, this is actually the easy part. First, we'll get your PayPal account created, and then we'll connect it straight to your M-Pesa.
Okay, first things first. You're going to head over to paypal.com/KE. Just choose a personal account for now. Now listen up, because this is absolutely crucial. When you sign up, use your M-Pesa phone number. And make sure, I mean exactly, that the full legal name you enter is the same one registered to your M-Pesa. This one little step will save you so many headaches later. After that, just confirm your email, fill in a few more details, and you're all set.
And there you have it. Just like that, you've got a verified PayPal account. It's now officially ready to receive money from over 200 countries around the globe. How cool is that? First big step, done.
Now, for the final piece of the setup puzzle, you're going to visit the official Safaricom portal. This is the secure bridge that connects your global PayPal wallet to your local M-Pesa. Log in with your new PayPal info, pop in your M-Pesa number, and just approve the connection. That's it. Your two wallets are now officially talking to each other.
Okay, setup is complete. Let's get to the fun part, right? Step 2, the money flow. This is all about how you actually get paid from anywhere in the world and how you can move that money around like it's nothing.
You know what's incredible about this? The simplicity. To get paid by a client, an online platform like Upwork, or a friend overseas, all you have to do is give them your email address. That's your new global account number. The money hits your PayPal balance, usually in US dollars, almost instantly.
So, the money's sitting in your PayPal. How do you actually get it? Easy. You go back to that same official portal, you click Withdraw, and you type in how many dollars you want to pull out. The system shows you the conversion to Kenyan shillings right on the spot. You hit Confirm, and within minutes, maybe a few hours at most, that cash is right there in your M-Pesa.
And guess what? It's a two-way street. Need to pay for something online? You can send money from your M-Pesa to your PayPal. You just go to the portal, click Top Up, enter the dollar amount, and you'll get a prompt on your phone to pay. The pay bill is 800,888, and the account number is just your PayPal email address. It is incredibly slick.
All right, so we've built the system, we know how to move the money. Now for a really quick but really important step, security. Let's make sure this new financial setup of yours is completely locked down and safe.
Think of this as your must-do checklist. We already talked about matching your names. That's number 1. But also, you've got to go into your PayPal settings and turn on two-factor authentication, or 2FA. It adds a super strong layer of protection. And, of course, the basics. Always glance at the exchange rate before you hit confirm, and never, ever share your password or any codes with anyone, period.
So we've put this whole thing together in just a couple of minutes. But how good is it really? How does it actually stack up against a traditional bank account? Well, let's put them side by side and see who comes out on top. Honestly, it's not even a fair fight. The old way is slow, it's clunky, it's full of paperwork. Your new way? It's instant, it's global, it's all digital, and you see every fee up front. This is a total game changer in how we connect to the world's economy. Let's break it down even more. This chart says it all, doesn't it? Look at this. Setup time is 10 minutes, not 10 days. You can receive money from over 200 countries, not just a few. You've got 24/7 access, not just 9 to 5. Withdrawals are instant, not tied to banking hours. Your verification is digital, not a stack of papers. And the fees, they're clear as day, not buried in some fine print. The advantage is just obvious.
So what's the bottom line for you? It means that right now, you can get paid by anyone on the planet. You can shop on pretty much any website in the world. You can be a global freelancer with your office being wherever your phone is. You can move your money on your own terms, when you want, instantly.
Just let that sink in for a second. Your phone number and your email address have just become your global financial identity. You've literally built an international bank in your pocket, and you never even had to leave the house. So the only question left is, what are you going to do with it?